This video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a UK TikTok account step by step. This is a full tutorial how to do that, okay? Disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. TikTok features, regional settings, eligibility and required services and community guidelines. No earning or monetization are guaranteed on this video, okay? So now, this is how you can actually do that step by step. All you need to do is for you to go to App Store or Play Store, download TikTok, okay? Or if you have it already, you can actually click on it. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, now say update. Okay, because I have it, that is why you're saying update. If you don't have it, you need to go to Play Store and install it, or if you have it, then you can actually go ahead and listen to this tutorial and know what you need to do here. Okay, so like I said before, I've already have this account on my phone. I have a UK TikTok account, which I'm going to show you how to set up. To set it up, people have been asking me, Faith, what are the benefits of having a UK TikTok account? So if you have a UK TikTok account, it will enable you to join creator program on the app, which I'm going to be showing you now. Let me just go to my account and show you. Okay, if you have your TikTok account, this is the benefit that you're going to be benefiting. But if you reach the requirement, then they're going to invite you for creator program, then you will join. Okay, that is the one thing about UK TikTok account. Okay, you can see creator reward program. Create a video that are 1 minute or longer to get rewarded on a qualified view. Okay, so I'm going to be explaining everything. Okay, after I finish updating everything. Okay, now there is one mistake I don't want you to make. Never use VPN to enter here. Okay, VPN shouldn't enter here at all. Okay, so that is one mistake a lot of people do. Do not use VPN to create TikTok account. Okay, now I have already on my TikTok account. I'm going to be logging in now. So I need to open my TikTok again and swipe it like this. Okay, okay, you need to swipe it like this. Then come down. You see, by continuing with the account located in social place, then you need to click on that particular place. Okay, you need to click here. Then you need to go ahead and choose your country. Okay, we are going to be looking for United States. Okay, so any country you're from, you can choose it, but right now I'm going to be creating a UK TikTok account. Okay, so this is my own right now, which I'm creating it already. So you can actually go ahead and select your country, but right now I am creating a UK TikTok account. Okay, so all you need to do for you to go ahead and look for country that you want to select. Because of this video, I'm going to be selecting UK. Okay, I'm looking for UK. Okay, I don't want to make a mistake by selecting another country. Okay, let me just scroll down again. Okay, be very careful here before making a mistake of selecting another country. Okay, so let me go ahead and search for United Kingdom. Okay, so you can see, let me stop here. You can see United Kingdom, United States. Okay, but right now we are going to be making use of United Kingdom. Okay, because of this video. Okay, and actually this is actually my account. Okay, this is my first time setting my account up. I wanted to create a tutorial. Okay, so now let me just go ahead. You see United Kingdom. Just pick it. Okay. You see, don't make a mistake. The reason why I leave it like this so that it will not be like I'm just rushing this video. This video is not gonna be long. Just I think 8 minutes video long. Okay, so just make sure you select it. Don't make a mistake of selecting another thing. Then you're going to bring it to this interface. Okay, so you need to link with your Google account, or you can create a new Google account if you want. Okay, so but if it's your first time doing that, I would advise you to create a new email, or you can use a fresh email. Okay, so now after everything, we are going to be logging in our account, and you can see our account is ready. So now this is my account here. Then we are going to be clicking on settings. Okay, if we click on the settings, you are going to check if your account is located in the United States, because some people made a mistake of selecting a wrong country. Okay, that's the reason why you need to check it to know if it's located in the United Kingdom. Okay, so you need to click on account. Let me check if I made a mistake of creating this account right now. As you can see, my account is located in United Kingdom. Okay, so that is just it. This is how to do it. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can actually set up your payment method. Okay, if you are willing to create content on TikTok and you want to set up your payment method, this is what you need to do. Okay, we need to go to balance. Okay, if you go to balance, you're going to see other monetization on TikTok. You can see live reward program, you can see monetization, you can see subscription manager. And all these things is where you are going to be earning money if you reach the requirement of TikTok for you to monetize your account. Okay, all these things is the criteria that you need to meet. Okay, it's not like once you log in your account you started receiving money. No, it doesn't work that way. You need to go ahead and start creating content. Okay, for you creating content, that is where it's going to work. But if you does not create content just for you to open it, it does not work that way. We need to create content, and once you meet the criteria, they are the one that are going to invite you. And once they invite you to create a reward program, this is what you are going to be having access of all that. Okay, they are going to be rewarding you each video that is up to 1 minute video on TikTok, they're going to be rewarding you for it. But if you does not monetize your TikTok account, you will not be able to get access to it. How can you set up your payment method? All you need to do is click on the settings button. You see this place, tap on it, tap on the settings, and once you tap on the settings, you see on the settings, then tap on the settings, then it's going to bring out this word frequently asked question. Any question you want to ask, you can ask it, and you can actually come to payment methods. Okay, payment method is like they have different payment method you can actually add here. I have actually add mine is already there. You can see another payment method, you can see another payment method. Let me just click on it and show you another payment method they have. Okay, so you can see PayPal, you can see bank transfer, you can see Pay New, and all this bank you're seeing is to be UK bank account. Okay, if it is not UK bank account, or don't add it here. Okay, if you don't know how to create a grey account, I can actually make a video how to do that. Okay, if you don't know how to do that, comment on the comment section below. I will teach you how to do that. Okay, because this is how I actually did my, okay, this is actually my full account, okay, on TikTok, which I'm going to start creating content. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section below. Thank you so much for